Hey everybody, it's Tuesday the 16th of August. It's the second day of our small account challenge. So the small account challenge was to go half a month. We may extend it. Let's see where we are at the end of the month. But the likelihood is I will be going on vacation instead. So the idea was to take $2,500 and over effectively 13 trading days, see how we could grow that account. And we've got one day down. Today is the second day. We started $2,500, $2,510 on Monday. We managed just after all the commissions, a little over $400 yesterday, but just after commissions and charges and things, it was about $390 going added to the equity. We're starting today a little under $2,900 on the equity position, and we've had a good day, a good green day. We traded two stocks, both of them green. We got $367 on Gritstone Bio, and that was the first trade we took. We got $110 on Fubo TV, and that was the second trade that we took. I will talk you through the trades. I'll show you the entry and exit points, and we'll also show you the trades in real time. There isn't much talking. I'm more concentrated. It's not like the live stream. I'm more concentrating just on the trades. So watch the trades in real time if you want. You don't have to stick around after I've talked you through the trades. You don't have to stick around at all if you want, but I would appreciate your company if you do. And if you are going to stick around before I show you the trades, remember to smash that thumbs up button, and it really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, pushes it out to more people as a suggested video. So without further ado, let's talk through the actual trades themselves. So the first trade we took was Gritstone Bio. Now this moved up, and as it pulled back, I look for this is kind of a bull flag setup. I look for the next candle to make a new high, which was here. I was a little bit slow to the trigger, and as it moved up and met the same highs again, found a little bit of resistance. I was a little bit worried at this stage because we've got the two wicks here, what I affectionately call the devil horns, and it pulled back, and I'm thinking, okay, are we going to get a reversal here, or are we going to get the continued move up? We did get the continued move up, so I held this, and when we broke highs, next candle to break a high was this one. We added to the position on the move up. We took some profits here, and then on the way back down, we got stopped out. We put a stop in place, and we got stopped out. So not a bad trade to start off with. $367, single trade. Our target was $250 on the day, so that more than did the day's goal, and a bit besides. Now we did get into Fubo a little bit later, and this is where we got in and where we got out. So Fubo was moving up, and we got in here for the break of 610. As it moved up. I actually wanted to get in at the break of the whole dollar, but again, slow to the trigger, my own fault. It popped up, and we got in for the break of the whole dollar, and as it moved up, we took some profits, and then we set the stop in place, and as it pulled back, we got stopped out. So that was another $110. It was added to the $367 that we got, and that gave us almost $500 on the day, so it's almost twice the goal for the day. So we're looking at 10% ideally, which would have been 290 today. So 10%, 477. You can see we've not just hit goal, but we smashed it. So this is a trade in real time. Enjoy and watch. For 10 seconds. Do I not like these devil horns? I've got the stop in place at 40. Move up, fill the wick. Come on. Go. Good start. Very good trade. 10 cents, so 150 bucks off that. Top. That's $300 on top of this, so about $420, $430. That's the goal done for the day on the small account. Not done yet. And not be done, man. Might break highs here. Yeah, 367. There we go. Job done. stock take. So another $110. That's all right. $500 a day. So that's day 2 of the small account challenge. Another $477 to add to the 400 that we got yesterday. So we're making good progress after 2 days. Let's see how we can increase that a little bit incrementally over time. And let's see how we finish this week. Today was a really good trading day on the main account. And you can check out the trade recap on another video that I've just about to post as well for the main account. I will be trading live, streaming my live trades pre-market again tomorrow. So feel free to come join me 2 hours before the market opens, actually 90 minutes before the market opens. I will be trading from 2 hours before the market opens, but I'll be streaming live 90 minutes. So that's about 8 o'clock US East Coast or New York. It's 1 p.m. In Dublin, where I'm based, and it's also the same time in the UK, and it's 2 p.m. on the continent of Europe. So come join me there for live day trading tomorrow, and we'll see how we get on with the small account and, of course, my main account tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you there. Cheers.